Hey guys, it's Clary, and today I'll be showing you how to transform Minecraft into Squid games. Firstly, you're going to need to download the map so you're able to actually play. To do this, you're going to need to join the creators' official Discord. We'll leave the link to it in the description if you're interested. Once you're in there, simply head to the Squid Games channel under announcements, then click on the latest MediaFire link you can see. From there, it's pretty straightforward, and you just have to press download on the right for the map to download. If any pop-ups pop up, just ignore them. Once the map is all downloaded, head to Server.pro and into your servers. There you want to go ahead and head into files and ensure that your server is offline. Once that's done, delete the current world folder and then drag the zip file of the map we just downloaded in there. What you're going to do then is unpack the zip, as the save file needs to be a folder. Once the extraction is done, if the zip is still there you can delete it, as all we need is the folder. Now the last step is to rename the folder to world so your server knows how to start the map up when you log on. Now you've downloaded the map successfully on your server. Now you can turn it back on and head into it. You just have to copy the hostname and paste those credentials in the game. The map features a meticulously built island, including the player rooms, game arenas, and control center. The island's terrain has been terraformed and decorated with custom trees and details. Instead of relying on multiple players to control the games, a Squid Game control panel book manages all game functions. The main hallway connects to all different areas of the map. A photo stand is included where players can also pretend to take their photos. This room contains the beds, voting symbols X and O, and the iconic piggy bank. The hallway leading to the main staircase is accessed through iron doors controlled. This opens the path to red light, green light arena. The control panel book has a light switch option that toggles between red and green light. When green, players can move. When red, players must stay still or be eliminated. Across the bridge from the staircase room is the Dalgona Pentathlon game arena. The control panel book has a door entrance option for this area as well. Inside you'll find the rainbow decoration, timer, and the game rings. There is Duck Chi, a dropper style minigame. Players must drop an item onto a target without hitting obstacles. There's Flying Star. Players throw snowballs at a target while their screen spins. Catching Stones. Players must shoot 5 chickens mid-air with arrows. With Spinning Top, players guide an armadillo through a spiral course. Finally, Punching Game. Players must quickly punch 5 falling items in a row. Completing all 5 minigames triggers a firework display. The final game, Marble Mingle, is accessed through a door controlled by the book. The arena features a roundabout with the individual rooms. Players spin around the roundabout. The control panel book has a start spinning option. Pressing it again stops the spinning, turns off the lights, and opens all the rooms and doors. After a short time, the doors close and the light comes back on. Players outside rooms are automatically eliminated. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope I was able to help you set up your server. If you need anything else, don't hesitate to reach out to us or contact our support. Bye guys.